How to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. So if you want to fix Steam Cloud Sync error, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Steam application. Once you open up your Steam, make sure to log into your account. Now, once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with Steam, which is on the upper left, and then go with settings. Now, under settings, you can go with the cloud option. And under your cloud, make sure that to enable your Steam Cloud option. Once you enable your Steam Cloud, then your problem might be fixed. And after that, just go back from your settings and you just need to simply go with your games. So just simply click on games and go with view games library, and here you will have all of your games, right? You just need to simply click on any game and you need to right click on it and go with properties. Now under properties, you will have the option of local files. You can click on the local files option and you can click on verify integrity of the game files. If you don't find the local files, you will have install files. You can go with install files and you can go with verify integrity of game files. And after that, your problem might be fixed, or just right click on it and you may have the settings option, or just go with Steam, which is on the upper left, and click on settings, go with downloads. And under downloads here, you will have an option of clear download cache. Go with clear and then confirm. Once you clear the cache, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and check if it is online. You need to check if the servers on Steam is online. Generally on Tuesday, update the platform goes offline. You can also check your internet connection and check your network connection and see if you have any connection issues. But if you don't have any connection issues, then you just need to simply right click on the taskbar and then go with Task Manager. Now under your Task Manager, you just need to simply go and find the Steam option right here. Under your Steam client, then you just need to simply right click on it and then go with the end task. Once you end the task, then you can again open the task or open up your Steam and your problem might be fixed. And the other thing you can do is just exit your Steam from the hidden apps, which is right here. And after that, restart your device. And after restarting, your Steam Cloud Sync error will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.